Hello, today we are on a full day boat trip. Where are we going today, mommy?
To the sea, far, far away.
So I start with small excitement, I finish with high excitement.
See? Wherever I throw it, the school of fish. GoPro! Hi, GoPro! Ah! And that strange sound.
So this is our little
How
boat.
do you know that this is a remote island?
Because we are far away from mainland. We're on an island and the tide is low, so we can cross from here to all the way to that island just by walking. Daniel, are you ready to go to the other island?
Oh, I saw 3 crabs.
Okay. We paid €75 for this trip, and for Daniel, who is 5 now, we paid 40, I think. It's almost full day, and we get lunch as well. And just look at this beauty. For €10, we got the ticket to Moyen Island Reserve. There are some tortoises here, and it's like greenery around, kind of like a jungle. So I think that's almost the last stop for today in our boat tour. After this, we should go for snorkeling once again, and that would be it for today. At this island we found this amazing beach. No one here except for us. Christina, Daniel, and that's it. No one else around. One of the most amazing places we've seen so far here at Seychelles.
We're getting a little closer. So look, this is our view from here. And this is the boat we're in, so sorry if I just let you see the boat. So, and this is seaweed under us, and that's the greenery, because Seychelles is a very green country. See how much greenery? So much greenery. And that island is the one our hotel is in. And that strange sound is the turbo of the boat we're in. See that foam? That's also the turbo is making that foam. And look, those boats.
Enough because you will run out of them.